Hi guys, what's up? Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you here today. I hope you guys will enjoy what I am about to do for you. So here it goes. Give me by me sweet Jamaica, me island with the sun. Give me by me sweet Jamaica, me want to have little fun. I grew up in this little island called Jamaica during a time where we treat everyone with love and respect. As a child, I could never pass my elderly on the street and don't say, "Good morning, Mr. Black," and "Good evening, Mrs. Green." Give me by me sweet Jamaica, me one and only country. Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaica, man. Me want to have some fun. Jamaica, Jamaica, land, wood, and water. A little island with so much rich heritage. The youths nowadays, them not have no fun. Do you remember the days when we could have go river, go catch janga and go catch fish? These modern days youths, they don't know to have fun. Give me by me sweet, sweet Jamaica, no man. Me long fi have little fun. Do you remember the days when we coulda go outside, go climb Jew plum tree, and go pick mango? Do you remember the days of playing marbles and playing jacks? That time kids could be kids. We were not exposed to social media. Hey, give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaican man. Me long fi have little fun. Give me by me sweet, sweet, sweet Jamaican man. I wonder where we heritage gone. Too much our paradise sell out abroad. Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaican man. Me long fi have little fun. Do you remember the days when we could have go outside and go play in the mud using hibiscus flowers and making oil? Give me by me sweet, sweet, sweet Jamaican man. I wonder which party gone. Party back then and now are two different things. Then was nice, but now you're better dressed because you are got gym. Do you remember the days when we could have rock away? Those were the days. Do you remember how much of your heritage do you embrace? Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaican man. Me long to have some fun. Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaican man. I wonder which part the fun done. Do you remember the blue jaws? Do you remember baking dumpling in the coal stove? That time my grandmother never have no get stove. So granny used the coal stove. Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaican man. Me really want to have little fun. I wonder where her heritage gone. Do you remember Miss Lou when she say, "No little twang"? Give me by me sweet, sweet, sweet Jamaican man. I want to have little fun. How much do you instill in your child? And tell them about your childhood, growing up in Jamaica and the nice time where we used to have. Do you remember the days when we could have go outside and go play scratchy, go play dandy shandy? That time we never have internet. The internet take over the youth then nowadays. Shh, don't talk too loud. Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaican man. Me want to have some fun. Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaican man. The parents afraid to send them youth out a door. Because they don't want to hear say them son drop a ground. Because too much bloodshed around. Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaican man. How long we not have lily fun? Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaican man. Me island with the sun. Where we national anthem said we proud. Our national anthem when it said, "Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with your mighty hand." Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaican man. Where we used to have love and unity. Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaican man. When we could raise, we build, we picnic in a one village. Give me by me sweet, sweet, sweet Jamaican man. Lord, the amount of bloodshed we are run. So much innocent youth Get drop a ground. Give me by me sweet, 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 sweet Jamaica, no man. Lord, will Lily Sweet Paradise take time a wash out, eh? Too much something a go on. The youths nowadays, them a grow up with too much social media. So it take out all of the fun. You, Mr. Gunman, you I am talking to. Children are the future and you're killing them. When you kill out all the future from Jamaica, then Lord, I mean never give me by me sweet, sweet, sweet Jamaica, the man. Let me hear one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Come to Jamaica, you will feel alright. So give me by me sweet Jamaica, because me long fi have some fun. Give me by me sweet Jamaica, where we can walk on the road without anybody interfering with us. Give me by me sweet Jamaica, where it takes a village to raise a child. Give me by me sweet Jamaica, where teacher can't school a child. Give me by me sweet Jamaica, where young man have respect for police officers. Give me by me sweet, sweet Jamaica, when we treat everyone with love and respect. Lord, me I'll run out of breath because me want back me sweet, sweet Jamaica. Anyway, guys, let us all unite, man. Put on the gun, man. Put on the knife. And come, man. Come, man, make we hurry up at the thing. This thing that is called Jamaica. Our rich, rich heritage. Until next time, I hear so the dub done. Hi, hi, hi.